Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Cook and Travel, the place where we explore the world's most mouth-watering dishes. Today, we are diving into the heart of Canadian comfort food, the legendary Quebecois creation that has won hearts around the globe, poutine. Before we jump into the deliciousness that is poutine, let's set the stage. Quebec, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and distinct French influence, is not only a beautiful province but also the birthplace of our beloved poutine. Now, let's get into the story behind this iconic dish. The origins of poutine are a bit hazy, but the most widely accepted tale takes us back to rural Quebec in the late 1950s. Some say it started in Warwick, others in Drummondville, but the heart of the story remains the same. Legend has it that a customer asked for cheese curds on top of his fries at a local diner. The owner, not sure what to make of this request, exclaimed, "Ça va faire un maudit poutine," loosely translating to "that will make a damn mess." And just like that, poutine was born. So, what exactly is poutine? Well, it's a magical combination of crispy golden fries, fresh cheese curds, and a generous pour of hot, savory gravy. The result? A symphony of flavors and textures that will leave your taste buds dancing. Poutine isn't just a dish, it's a cultural phenomenon in Quebec. From casual diners to high-end restaurants, you'll find poutine on menus across the province. It's the ultimate comfort food, enjoyed after hockey games, late-night outings, and family gatherings. Now, here's the fun part: poutine variations. While the classic version is a timeless masterpiece, creative minds in Quebec have taken it to the next level. From smoked meat poutine to butter chicken poutine, there's a flavor for everyone. Quebec may be the birthplace of poutine, but its influence has spread far and wide. You'll find poutine joints popping up globally, each putting its own unique twist on this Canadian classic. It's a true testament to the dish's universal appeal. And there you have it, the flavorful journey through the history and culture of Quebec poutine. Whether you're a Canadian craving a taste of home or an international food lover curious to try something new, poutine is a must-try dish that never disappoints. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and let me know in the comments, have you ever tried poutine? Until next time, keep indulging in the world's tastiest treasures. Cheers!